Hello and welcome to Friday's Europapers. We begin today with a man who owned the 2016 summer window, transfers top brass Mino Raiola, who the Spanish press reckoned did very well for himself before September the 1st. Raiola earns more in one summer than Ronaldo in a year, says this lead in Friday's AS, with a Madrid-based paper reporting that via commission earned off the back of brokering transfers for Zlatan, Pogba and Mkhitaryan, the super agent pocketed no less than €30 million for himself. And look, the continental press have finally begun calling Raiola a super agent. Now, what's it like to cost £34 million and never mind being your buyer's second choice defensive signing, but being their second choice defensive signing who plays for PSG? Well, best ask David Luiz. When Chelsea aimed for Kimpembe, says L'Equipe's headline here, with the French daily referring to 21-year-old PSG defender Presnel Kimpembe, a player who the newspaper says was about to cut a deal with Stamford Bridge before the West Londoners signed David Luiz on deadline day. In what L'Equipe are calling an astonishing episode, Chelsea's dealmakers contacted Kimpembe's entourage full of enthusiasm in efforts to begin negotiations with the young Frenchman's agent. Thereafter, however, Kimpembe and company got radio silence from the Blues, and any return phone calls were ignored. Then it was announced the club had re-signed David Luiz. L'Equipe say Kimpembe was Chelsea's preferred signing on deadline day, but apparently Antonio Conte hesitated over his inexperience at the last minute and instructed his people to buy Brazilian instead. That's all from Friday's Europapers, but fear not, we are back tomorrow.
Shame, humiliation, worst day in the history. Strong words. The federation is already on the...
First though, you may have thought Moussa Sissoko failing to turn up for Everton's private jet was the most Odom Wingy thing which...